What's up, guys? It is your boy Big E Ollie Chill, back again with Ravioli. Chill, man. What are you doing? We're trying to shoot a video. Ravioli, you're embarrassing me. We got something crazy. And when I say crazy, I don't mean crazy like all the other stuff I've done before. I mean literally kind of crazy. A jewelry piece that might end up being my third assistant. First that one, then this one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these two. I'm about to put him down. He's probably gonna poop on the floor. Stay tuned, because this mother is going to be the craziest thing you've ever seen in your whole life.
I need to calm down. Everything's fine.
Amanda.
I'm an adult.
Ice giant box right here. Beautiful black cardboard box. It's not that beautiful, but whatever. We have an ice giant box here, and about 4 months ago, maybe 3 months ago, I don't know, Ice Giant reached out to me and we started doing a little bit of work together. You know, we did a couple reviews. We reviewed this moissanite bezel right here for the channel that a bunch of you guys saw. I think it's pretty dope, something I wear on my Apple Watch on the reg. We reviewed the tennis chain, beautiful blue tennis chain, and a bracelet. And then we wanted to do something different. So Ice Giant was like, yo, we do a lot of custom stuff, Big E. Let us do something for you. And I said, say less.
Oh, say less.
Somebody offers to do something for me. I said, no doubt. Let's get it going. Let's do it. I'm in. 3.5 months later, this box shows up on my door. And when I tell you guys that I was shocked, that is an understatement. And I cannot wait to show it to you guys. So I'm gonna do exactly that, because they made your boy Big E a custom pendant of my logo. You guys have all seen my logo. It's my picture and it's always up around. It's me like on top of the thing like this or whatever. And obviously, you know, when you're getting a pendant done, I've never gotten a pendant done like this with enamel. If those of you that don't know what enamel is, it's basically a kind of material, a composite that's painted over, and some people do it amazingly and some people do it and it ends up looking bad. So I didn't know what to realistically expect. I mean, I would see stuff online. I saw a lot of the work they did. The work was pretty good. And I was like, let's give it a go. And they updated me all through the process. They showed me a lot of the video as it was being done. I saw it coming together, but I wasn't able to envision that future result yet. I wasn't able to see what it was. And me, guys, as the lover of jewelry that I am, I'm always down for new stuff. Pause. Major pause.
I'll blow up into smithereens and spew my tiny...
But I'm always down for new things, whether it be enamel, a different kind of metal, a funky chain like the Harlem Bling nugget chain that I just reviewed, which is one of my favorite chains out there. I am always down to look at new styles. Now, that being said, I just got a custom pendant done, as you guys know, the Big E that Harlem Bling made for me, which I wear almost every single day. I love that thing. It is an absolute monstrosity. It is a beast. It is over a kilo when you combine the chain and the pendant that I wear it with. I get compliments on it all day long. And this custom pendant is a completely different style. Not one better than the other, but completely different. Like Pepsi and Coke. Well, I guess Pepsi and Coke are both soda. Let's say this is kind of like apples and oranges. Like both amazing if you're a fruit lover. Whoa, major pause on that. But if you love fruit, apples and oranges, but these are completely different. So without further ado, I am going to shut the F up. And I am going to open this up for you guys. So here is the Ice Giant box. Just a plain cardboard box here, guys. We open it up. We have a little shopping bag. Guys, I never really understand what this shopping bag is for. Is there something in here? No, I don't think there's anything even in here. But, like, look at this. Like, what the hell is this shopping bag for? Like, what the... Something just fell out of there. But what do? Imagine me taking this to the store and, like, going to buy, like, I don't know. Like, what would you... You go to the store with this little shopping bag, or what? You buy like a little pack of cigarettes maybe or something, or like a little like candy bar, and you just walk around with this little shopping bag. Or maybe this is a shopping bag for little people. I don't know, but nonetheless, it's a shopping bag. So that is in here. And then we have this, and here we go. Ice Giant. We have this nice and wrapped up, all bubbly. That's what ends up happening. Here we go. Enough talk. And guys, look at this. Look at that pendant. It is 3D. It looks like me. It looks like me, down to the tattoos. I mean, granted, it's a little bit slimmer than I am, but you guys get the point. I mean, this thing, if this isn't the best form of brand representation you can ever use, I mean, come on. And the quality of this thing, guys, the quality is freaking amazing. The sparkle. Demi, do me a favor, bring up my logo on screen. Let's put this side by side so you guys can see right here the attention to detail on this thing. But this is just amazing. It's not often where I get shocked like this when I see a pendant. When I got my Big E pendant, I was shocked in the same type of way, and I am shocked for this one as well. This is absolutely nuts, guys. Absolutely nuts. So now let's take it through the usual testing. We're gonna weigh it. Obviously, we don't need to measure it. We'll diamond test. Actually, I should probably turn on the diamond tester right now so we're not sitting here for 45 years. Now, the enamel work, guys, this is very, very, very hard work to do. This is not easy work. And if you look at the intricacy on this pendant, down to the tattoos, down to the beard on my face, down to the skin tone, just to the getting those little parts of my face to actually make something that small look like me. I mean, that is a talent in of itself. It is just crazy. And that's kind of where the shock value, down to even the Yankee hat that I always end up wearing. I mean, right now I'm not wearing it, but I mean, you can see the Yankees logo. I mean, this is like a true to life. It is something I almost get afraid to wear because you want to treasure it. And then if we turn it around over here, we have the stamping right here. So this is made of 925 silver, and it is gold vermeil, so it's gold plated. You have the IGT on the back, and then you have the S925 branding on the back as well. We'll get a closer up shot of that for you guys. And we have 7 carats of VVS moissanite on this pendant as well. We also have the hidden bail. Now, as you guys can see on the actual bell right there, you know, I could have done anything, but I had Ice Giant put their logo there, IGT. And you want to know why? Because this is a collab with them. They made this for me. This is something that's super, super sick. And I wanted to remember it for what it was. Same thing I did with my Harlem Bling pendant, which is, again, guys, something I wear every day. I wanted it to have Harlem Bling on the back because it's like, you know, the work that goes into these things is crazy. So I take pride in where I get these things from. So that being said, my wrists feel like they're going to fall off because this thing is heavy. I think it's like 230 grams, believe it or not. It is super solid. So let us get into the testing right now, and let me start warming the diamond tester up.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, so we are back, and here we are with the scales of truth turned on. Again, here we go with the pendant. I don't know if you guys can see this. We have the scale zeroed out, and 231.42. So this is a heavy, heavy, heavy pendant. And let us go ahead now. The diamond tester is ready. And let us get these are little stones, so we might have a little bit of a harder time, but let's see. Okay, this is having a little harder of a time. There we go. You guys see that? There we go. Boom, you see that? And let's get one more up here. There we go, guys. So when you have littler stones like this that are all in here, they're not as easy to test. I know a lot of you guys aren't sitting around diamond testing things every single day, but I just like to explain that When you have littler stones, it might take 1 or 2 pokes. It doesn't mean that the stone quality is bad or anything like that. Just with a smaller stone, obviously you have a smaller surface to touch with the point of the diamond tester here, but nonetheless, this is A1 and it checks out. So we have 231 grams on the scale, passes the diamond tester with flying colors. The last thing we got to do is get this puppy on neck, guys. And believe it or not, I have not put this on neck yet. I know you guys might think that's crazy, but like a lot of these pieces, I get like, I'm like a kid in a candy store. I get them in and they end up sitting here for a few weeks until like I get to my next film session. And I want to tell you guys about them like crazy. Like I have another piece that's coming up in another review, and I actually posted up on the channel, guys. And I think over 100 of you answered whether I should give you guys a sneak peek. A lot of you wanted to see it. And then I was like, man, if I'm not even going to see it, how can I show it to everybody else? I'm going to ruin the surprise. I'm going to ruin it for me. I'm going to ruin it for you guys. All right, guys, so we are back and we got Big E on neck, and this is what it looks like, and I feel like a boss. I mean, this thing is absolutely bananas. I know I always say that this is absolutely beautiful, but man, I mean it. I get excited about this jewelry stuff, but this thing is just dope, guys. I mean, look at this. I have this on an 8mm Big Boss rope, which I love. It's something I wear on a daily basis. I've already reviewed it before on the channel. If you haven't seen it, go back on the channel, take a look at it, take a look at the review of it. It's definitely an amazing daily wear that's held up beautifully. And now it's time to rate it. Before we rate it, guys, honestly, I'm going to be real with you. This is going to be a Big E bias rating, of course. I'm not rating this on my normal nope to dope scale because this is me. How am I going to rate myself anything less than like a 45? Come on. Unless I have really low self-esteem, but I don't have low self-esteem. I got high self-esteem. So let's just say this is dope. Let's just say this is really dope. Was that enough reallys for you guys? It was really dope. I love this thing. It is definitely on point. Ice Giant, thank you so much. This is an amazing, beautiful piece. Definitely recommend if you guys want to get a custom, look to them. You know, obviously I reviewed Harlem Bling. They make great customs as well. But, you know, on this channel, guys, I am someone that is for the people. The most important thing to me, to me is you guys, and telling you guys where to go, and also showing you guys that, listen, is this a cheap pendant? No, it is not a cheap pendant at all. But if this was made out of solid gold and diamonds and all that, I mean, it would be astronomical. At that point, I would never, ever purchase it, because I feel like it would just be fiscally irresponsible to spend that much money. Listen, unless I was a billionaire or a multi-millionaire. But to me, the rule of thumb is like, you know, people walking around with like a $30,000-$40,000 watch, like if you don't have at least $1 million in the bank, you don't have any reason wearing that watch. And a lot of people just buy it because they want to stand out or this, that, and the third. Like, look at this watch, guys. This is an absolutely beautiful watch. Got it from Harlem Bling. This is one of the first pieces I got, or I'm sorry, the first watch that I got from Harlem Bling. I absolutely love it. I wear it on the reg. I get many compliments on it. It has an automatic movement in there. This jewelry is all beautiful. It's all precious metals. It's not fake jewelry or costume jewelry or whatever. It's silver jewelry. There's real gold plating on here. Moissanite is a real beautiful stone. Look at the jewelry like an art. It's amazing. I love this piece. It represents me. It's something I'm going to wear with pride, as I do with all my other pieces. And with that, guys, this has been my review of my Ice Giant custom Big E the Jeweler pendant. As always, guys, I say it in the comments nonstop. I appreciate you all very much. What I do is not possible without what you guys do, and liking and subscribing and getting involved. So please, if you're watching this right now and you have not already subscribed to the channel, do me a favor. It's not hard. Just hit the subscribe button. I mean, what? You just got to tap something. Even if you end up hating me or I annoy you or whatever, just subscribe to the channel. It helps your boy out. It helps me continue to do these reviews for you guys and get all these dope products in. And again, I appreciate every single one of you. And with that, this has been your boy Big E, and I am out. Peace.